If you're a property manager or landlord handling multiple rentals, you might have come across Buildium. It's a property management platform designed to help you manage tenants, collect rent, track expenses, and even market vacant units. All from one place. Great if you're tired of spreadsheets, manual payments, and juggling 5 different apps just to stay organized. But here's the deal. Buildium is powerful, but it's not the cheapest option out there. Pricing starts at around $55 per month, and it can take some time to set everything up if you're switching from another system. Also, while most features are solid, some users say the mobile app isn't as smooth as smaller tools like Doorloop. So, should you use Buildium? If you manage 20+ units and need a full-featured, reliable system, yes, absolutely. But if you only have 1 or 2 properties, you might be better off with something simpler and cheaper. Let me know if you use Buildium for property management. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.